All right, Mario just sprayed all the base coat. It's all done. Looks really good and smooth. Next step is the clear coat. Check it out. The car is all done. I'm officially done with it. It is all cleared and done out of my hands now. So he's going to put it together. Next time we see this car, we will be all together and we're going to take a video of it. We're going to talk about it, talk about the build. So stay tuned and subscribe for more builds like this. The bodywork is on point, not even wavy. It came out amazing. This is not buffed or anything. This is right out of the booth. I don't think it needs buffing. I personally like my cars like this. I don't like them super smooth. It's better than factory, I'll tell you that. This quarter, amazing. Trunk, amazing. It's all jammed, everything's done. Can't wait to see this thing all together. Hopefully I'll be in a couple weeks. Hopefully it doesn't take them too long. But stay tuned.